Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. I drew this last night in about 15 minutes, and it doesn't look like much. But if you print it out on paper, well, you would actually, if you can print from Corel onto a regular printer, a desktop 11 by 14 printer, and you print this out, that doesn't look like nothing. But if you take your phone camera and film it from a certain angle, it does this. And it looks like it is sticking out of the paper. So you cut the paper there, and this is a sheet of paper. And ironically, I just used a Corel Draw pencil. I didn't even realize it. I just pulled one out of the drawer. They gave me a couple during the last trade show. So if you want this file, and I'm actually going to make part 2 in how to draw this, because it's a lot easier to draw it like this, but you want it on the paper the other way. I guess you could actually cut it out like that and just shoot from here. But I'm gonna make a second one, and I'll put the link to my email at the bottom of this video, or I'll put them on both. And if you want this 3D paper file, just ask for 3D wall. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.